just right. Just wanted to show what the growth's looking like. I left those running gears not clean. Just want to show the difference. And also the owner was asking about the sinks before I got the water, so I wanted to show all them. They're all looking good for the most part. I got a month or two left, at least out of all of them, before I need to start worrying about it. Take a look at the hole as well. I'll show you this line over here. Got all the brown scum off, a little bit of green, a little stubborn. We're here in December at the Workman Closet. Yes, Debbie.